So we bought this Pajero IO. It's like a mini Pajero. I think it's got just like a Mitsubishi Lancer engine in it. I bought it for $1,000. It's like 700 US. It's got, you know, sweet as roof rack, and it's got a bull bar. It's like a proper low range. The interior is in pretty good condition. All of that stuff. And the guy dropped it off here running, but now it doesn't run. So I might have run it out of fuel, I don't know, but I could get it to run on ether, or I don't know what we call that, start your bastard. Anyway, I got it to run on start your bastard for a few seconds, and then so it's not getting fuel. So if it's run out of fuel, I'm going to put some fuel in and make sure that it's not out of fuel, but I got to get it out of here. It's starting to, the grass is growing underneath it. Changed the fuse, connected up the battery. I put 13 litres of fuel in. I hope the battery's not flat. It might be. We'll just give it a... Oh no, it sounds alright. Give it a chance to start. Nada. I'll crank it a little bit more, and I actually bought a fuel pump for this car because I don't hear the fuel pump priming when I turn the key on. Normally, you know, there's like a me, but I hear nothing. So normally it's something stupid like the fuel, so try that first, obviously. But anyway, give it a little rest, and we'll crank it some more. Give it some gas. Full gas, maximum gas. So I don't know if it's that one or that one. That's got the fuel pump in. I'm assuming it's this one. So I don't know, that one's easier to get off. I'll pull that one off first, and then I'll try this one. And I could keep cranking but I don't want to drain the battery. Then I'm just going to have to charge it with the other cars, and I bought the fuel pump already. It doesn't take long to change, so I'll just change that and eliminate that as the next problem. Good news, we found the correct tool. It's an 8mm and should be nice and easy. Alright, so we got the key on. Maybe you got to put your foot on the brake or something, I don't know. No. Key's on and the thing's doing nothing. I don't know, it shouldn't go wrong. Move this up and down, still does nothing. Push this around, still does nothing. Alright, I'm going to change this over and then try the same thing, and hopefully it makes a noise, and then if it does, it'll be fixed. Alright, so this is the new one. Does it look the same? I would say it doesn't look exactly the same. It's a tiny bit different on the bottom. It's a Bosch pump, so I'm hoping it works. Anyway, I'm going to try to retrofit all this stuff, and I'll let you know if it works, or at least if it goes back together to go back into the car. So I think I got it back together. There was a couple of tiny differences but yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think it's back together. There's not really anything else I can do. Let's plug it in and see if it makes a noise. Alright, well, when the car's cranking, it was making a noise. So, I don't know, man. We can only hope that... I didn't test the other one before to see if that was making a noise when it was cranking. Anyway, there's a clean filter. It's making a noise. Let's put it all back in and see what happens. So I got it all back together and yeah, forgot to put the bottom piece back on. So that's not ideal. Anyway, I'll have to pull it all out and put the bottom piece back in again. Anyway, let's see if it starts without the bottom piece. Oh my god, it worked! Whoa! It's running like a dream! Alright. Guess I better put the bottom piece back on. Alright. Well, good news, that's what it was, and I'm pretty sad I forgot the bottom piece, but that's how it goes sometimes. I'll pull it all out and put the bottom piece back on, and you know, pretty happy because it is working. And turns out it was a bad high pressure fuel pump. Alright, let's put that piece back on. Far out. Ah, what a mission. Alright, I got that bottom piece back on. Now, if this works, we're going to do, and I fixed it, celebration dance. Alright, here we go. Should start right up. Yes. 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 Okay. Okay. It's got an exhaust and everything, this thing. Alright, let's go for a victory drive. Yes! So the car's running, but as you can see, it's getting pretty hot pretty quick. And there's a crazy death noise coming from the back when you... And that is not good. Anyway, that's for another video.